FPAC Exam Part 2 Knowledge Domain B. Models and Analytics, 35 to 40%. Knowledge Domain B of FPAC Exam Part 2 focuses on financial modeling, analytical evaluation, and data interpretation skills that are essential for effective financial planning and analysis. FP&A professionals. This domain assesses a candidate's ability to develop reliable financial models, analyze complex datasets, validate assumptions, and transform financial information into actionable business insights. As organizations increasingly rely on data-driven decision-making, strong analytical and modeling capabilities are critical for supporting strategic planning and operational performance. A foundational requirement within this domain is understanding the interactions and interrelationships among the major financial statements, including the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. FP&A professionals must recognize how changes in one statement affect others and ensure that financial models maintain consistency across all reporting components. The domain also emphasizes statistical interpretation and analytical reasoning. Candidates are expected to interpret statistical functions such as standard deviation, expected value, correlation, regression, means, and modes. These techniques support trend analysis, forecasting, performance measurement, and risk assessment in business planning activities. Model validation and testing are critical competencies in this section. Candidates must demonstrate the ability to verify model accuracy using methods such as cross-footing, consistency testing, and reasonableness assessments. Reliable financial models are essential for supporting executive decisions, evaluating investments, and forecasting future business outcomes. Proper testing reduces the risk of calculation errors and improves confidence in analytical conclusions. Another important area is information gap analysis. FP&A professionals must identify missing, incomplete, or insufficient information required to complete analyses or support recommendations. This skill enables candidates to improve data quality and ensure that business decisions are based on comprehensive and accurate information. The domain further requires the ability to integrate data from multiple internal and external sources into meaningful analysis. Candidates should be capable of combining financial, operational, and market information while filtering out irrelevant data. The ability to distill large volumes of information into concise and actionable insights is a key expectation of modern FP&A roles. Candidates must also identify outliers and unusual trends in data and determine their underlying causes. This analytical skill helps organizations detect risks, anomalies, inefficiencies, or emerging business opportunities. In addition, assessing seasonality patterns within industries or business cycles is important for improving forecast accuracy and operational planning. Documentation and governance are also emphasized. Candidates should understand how to document model structures, assumptions, methodologies, and functionality to support transparency, consistency, and long-term usability. Well-documented models improve collaboration and facilitate future updates or audits. The domain also highlights the importance of collaboration with business partners. FP&A professionals are expected to gather operational insights, evaluate existing tools and processes, and assess whether models and analytical approaches remain appropriate for business requirements. Finally, candidates must assess the reasonableness of conclusions and test outcomes under different assumptions and scenarios. This reinforces the FP&A professional's role in supporting informed, data-driven decision-making through rigorous analysis, model integrity, and strategic business evaluation.